All right, so this is an LG room air conditioner, 6,000 BTUs an hour, bats, tarantulas, and urchins. So basically, if you take the energy this puts out, it can burn up 6,000 bats, tarantulas, and urchins per hour. That's how they come up with that stat. That's a fact, fella. It's for a 260-foot square room, or it's just less than that, but this house is old and poorly insulated. So let's crank it up and see if it's a window size, and this is the actual model number, LW6017R. And it does come with a little remote control, which is nice. It says a window installation kit. We'll have to see what that is in just a second. It does have some energy guide. It says $51 a year. We're gonna put this in a child's room. We're gonna make her pay us 51 bucks a year for using up our air. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Here's the remote control with batteries for the remote control, which is nice. A nice heavy duty, I don't know what that is. It's not really wood, pressed wood maybe, but you can beat people with this. That's good. And it comes with whatever this little guy is. Oh my God. It does have a 3-pronger in case you ever thought for some reason it'd be a 2-pronger. It will not. And there's like a little breaker built into it, I guess. Or test and reset. I assume that's kind of a breaker. I don't know. There we go. So it does have a little kit with a little bit of foam. And these are those little side curtain guys, right? So we bought extra foam in case we need it. I bought heavy duty foam and smaller duty foam. All right, I'm not gonna show the install because it's heavy and I'm gonna look like an idiot installing it. So I'll show the aftermath and we'll go through some of the operation and get my thoughts on it. So here we are with the air conditioner installed. Let me turn it off so the fan cuts off. There it is in the window. Now these white padding, that was not included, but the little accordion stuff on the sides, those were included. These little white padding stickers came with the other air conditioner I purchased, and I had extra, so I just put in there, extra sealant essentially. We can see the filter comes out like this. And like right now I have a check filter light on, but there is nothing. It looks pretty clean to me. Maybe there's 1 or 2 things there. I'll vacuum that off in a minute. Slips right back in. Now this remote control does control everything, you know, power. If I hit, the numbers are going up when I'm pressing the up here, of course. You can change the fan speed to F2, F3, F1, F2, F3. You can set a timer if you want to have it count down. You can change the mode. Like right now it's on fan, dry, I don't know what that is, energy saver, or cool. Nobody's turn it off now. It is kind of weird how the air conditioner like aims up. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it necessarily, but I'm just used to air conditioners that shoot forward, at least window units, so it is odd. So you can also do the buttons here, right? There's power here. You can change the temperature like this, and then you can change the mode here, and that's the timer button and the fan speed button there as well, right? So I don't know what dry means. We usually leave it on the energy saver. I'm gonna put it up on 77 to see if it shuts itself off. So now it's on the energy saver. It's 81 degrees outside, so you can see once it hits a certain temperature, it will turn off. This room's not in use at the moment, so it wasn't really on, but I'll turn it down to like 70, probably, or 72, I guess, and then, you know, leave it on energy saver. No, it's working out pretty good for us. So far, no complaints. It was a pretty easy install. Again, the only thing is just a little weird that it shoots upwards, but the remote's pretty nice. I like having the remote. And other than that, it's been perfectly fine. All right, thanks.